Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw one of the cutest and most electric character ever, Pikachu. Okay, but here we have a little funny, cute story for you while we draw, okay? One day a little Pikachu was sitting quietly on a blank piece of paper. He looked around and said, "Oh no, it's so empty here." Then a pencil came along and said, "Don't worry, little Pikachu, I will draw you some friends." The pencil started sketching two big ears, round cheeks, tiny paws, and a zigzag tail. When Pikachu looked in the mirror, he laughed and said, "Pika Pika, I look so cute. Even my cheeks are ready to speak some happiness." So today we are going to bring that happy Pikachu to life step by step. Okay guys? And let's learn how to draw a cute Pikachu with us. Okay? Banana. And tada! Our cute cartoon Pikachu is finally ready. Look at those round cheeks and that happy little smile. It looks like Pikachu is about to shout, "Pika Pika!" Remember the line, the little Pikachu from our story. When he saw your drawing, he jumped with excitement and said, "Wow, I come to the paper alone, but now I have an amazing artist find." This friend, by the way. Drawing is like a little bit of magic. With just a pencil and imagination, we can bring our favorite character to life. If you like drawing Pikachu with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love drawing cute cartoons, and tell me in the comments which cartoon character should we draw next. Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep spreading happiness like Pikachu little sparks. Okay? Bye bye. Bye bye.